Hey everybody, I just want to give you a preview on my latest Patreon video, which is on the different body types. And I focus on 5 main body types. To get a likeness, you have to think about a person abstractly as a design. And, you can think about this like a cartoon, like a caricature, or you can take it more seriously and think about it as the foundational structure of a person and how to get the kind of the smash of their likeness from a distance. So I go through the three, scientifically the 3 main body types, which are mesomorph, ectomorph, and endomorph. I go through a series of pictures of Olympic athletes to show different proportions and where people accumulate their muscle and their fat. And then I go through these 5 kind of abstract body types with photos. And these are my notes that I made. So the first one is what they call a rectangle, also known as the string bean or banana. There's the triangle, and this is sometimes called the pear shape. This is kind of the stereotypical hourglass shape, where you have that pinch of the waist and the curvy hips and wide shoulders. And then there's the inverted triangle, sometimes called the carrot body. And then finally, you have the oval shape, sometimes called the apple shape body type. And it's not that we all fit into these perfectly, but these are types that can really help you kind of get your sculpture or your painting or your drawing off the launch pad. I think it's also very applicable to character design in computer animation. So I just want to thank everyone who subscribes to the page, those that have been there for a while, and the newcomers that just signed up this September. I try to put out at least 2 new videos per month. I usually put out 4 or 5. And of course you have access to the entire archive, which is, over 125 videos now. So it's only $10 a month. And if you become a subscriber, you can request topics for future videos. And you can even just send me questions, list of questions. I'll make a video. I'll shout out your name and I'll try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. So anyway, thanks for the support, and see you at Patreon.